Hey everyone, welcome back to the Godot platformer series. This is a little quick bonus video because we had some folks ask for this. So I'm going to add this video showing us how to add a health pickup item that restores health when the player collects it. It will be super useful for designing more rewarding and forgiving levels. So let's jump in. First thing that we're going to do is start out by creating a new scene for a health collectible. So let's go to scene, new scene, and we're going to go to other node, and we're going to choose area 2D, which is no longer in our recents. So we're going to go ahead and type that in and add that to our scene. I'm going to go to 2D view so I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to go ahead and name this root node to health pickup, and I'm gonna go ahead and save the scene. So scene, save scene as. We're gonna go to our scenes folder. It already gives you a name there because we named our root node, and we're gonna press save. Alright, so what we're gonna want to do is I'm gonna go ahead and add a sprite 2D. I'm gonna add a collision shape 2D. Alright, so in our health pickup, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change it to layer 4 because that's our items layer that we created. We're gonna leave mask on mask 1. And for right now, that should be about it. Our sprite, let's see, we used the fiery imp. And let's see, what's on our props that we can use? I already used the cherries for the fire. For the ammo reload, we used the gems for the collectibles. So let's use the acorn, right? I'm sure imps like acorns. This is animated, so I guess we could do that too. So let's go ahead and just right click, change the type to animated sprite 2D, right? And alright, so what we're gonna do is in our animated sprite, click on animation, sprite frames. We're gonna go to new sprite frames. Go ahead and click on sprite frames one more time so that you see this resource drop down. That's how I always tell my students, if you see the resource drop down, you're good, because that means this animations and animation frames window will show up. And I'm just going to drag these 3 over like so, and if we press play and zoom in, you'll see that it works out. Now you could drop that and it gives it the first one again, it gives it a nice little pause so you can kind of see the full scope of the transition. So I'll probably leave that one in because I kind of like that, how that looks right there. Now, with our collision shape, this one's going to be really easy. We're just going to put in a new circle shape collider. I'm going to go ahead and just shrink that down a little bit like so. Alright. Now, if you want a sound effect, you can also add an audio stream player to it, okay? But let's go ahead and get into the pickup logic. So click on your health pickup. We're going to go and add a script. Make sure that this script is pointed to our scripts folder and press open. It's already named health pickup. That's just fine. Let's press create. Alright. Now, what we're going to do is in this script, we're going to need to tell it how much it's going to heal. So at export variable, we're going to call this heal amount, integer equals 1. The next thing that we're going to be doing from here is let's go ahead and set up a connection to a signal to connect to. So we're going to say body entered connect. You could also do it here in the node and go to on body entered. and then you won't have to type it here in the ready function. I prefer to type it out. It's a little more time consuming, but I like to have total control over what's going on in the code. That's just a me thing. Alright, right now it's saying it doesn't have this because we haven't created that function. We're going to create that right now. Function on body entered, and it's going to be looking for a body. Now in here, alright, in here is where we're going to be. It's going to be red for a little bit because and throw some errors because we won't have this function. But what we need to do is go if body dot is in group, and that group is going to be the player. Make sure that that's how we spelled it. Where's my player character? Yep, lowercase b. We're good. All right. Then we're gonna do a thing, and we're gonna reach out for global, and we're gonna call it gain life, and it's gonna be the heal amount, and then we're gonna destroy the object. All right. Oh, so it didn't call any errors, which is interesting because I don't have that function in there. So, but that's a good thing. All right, so let's go here. All right, and down here at the bottom, we're gonna create a function. Actually, no. Let's come up here first in our variables, and let's create a variable max lives integer. For me, I'm gonna say 6. Alright. And then we're gonna say down here at the bottom, function gain life, because that's what we typed. The amount, integer, equals 1. And then from here we're gonna read lives equals lives plus amount, and then pass through the max lives. And just to make sure that it's going to work in our console, we're gonna have it print out lives and then lives. Alright, so now we got all that going. Let's go ahead and save our scene. I guess we'll try it out. So let's see here, where do I want to put it? Let's just instantiate it here in the beginning. Click on instantiate, look for our health pickup, go and press open. Let's find it. There it is. Bring that down here. Alright, and let's give it a go. Alright, and there it is, right there. That's what we were looking for. See that right there? Alright. So alright, I'm gonna watch this 3 right here. And there it is. So there you have it, folks. In this video we created a, let me turn off the music so you guys can hear me. Alright, in this video we created a health pickup item. We gave it a little animation, nice little spring there, added a collision shape. We coded it with checking to make sure that the players in the group, gave the global script a new function to gain life, added a max life count. So now if it goes over 6, I guess I could check that to test that too for you guys, but if it goes over 6 then it won't add any more. So what I'll do is I'm gonna put 4 right here in the scene, just to make sure. Give it a quick go. Alright. Oh yeah, forgot about that. Alright. 4, 5, 6, right? So I'm at my max. And there you go. It does disappear and use it up. It's just fine. But it does not add any more. So, alright, folks. So, that's it. Until then, keep learning, keep building. I'll see you in the next one.